To rent GPU power on our platform, users need to deposit USDT. Additionally, those who have successfully earned USDT by renting out their hardware can easily deposit or withdraw their funds. Let's first walk through the simple process of depositing USDT. Start by heading to the Profile section of your dashboard. Select the Deposit option. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to deposit. Approve the transaction in your wallet, MetaMask in this case. Now, your USDT has been credited to your account and is ready to be used for renting nodes. Next, let's go through the process to withdraw your USDT. Again, go to the Profile section of your dashboard. Select the Withdraw option. Enter the amount of USDT you'd like to withdraw. Approve the transaction in your wallet, MetaMask in this case. Your USDT has now been withdrawn to the address connected to our platform.